Hello and welcome to the channel. This is Meredith, and today I have my August 2022 Boxycharm to unbox with you. This is going to be the base box. So as I always have in all of my videos, this is sent to me free for review by Boxycharm, but my agreement with them is to post over on my Instagram story, so this YouTube video is not part of my agreement with them. I just like creating this because it's my fun hobby, and I also like sharing my opinion and first impressions with you. So I already tried filming this once, but then I thought my camera stopped recording, but then it didn't, so I've only seen one of the products, but I haven't even looked at it. I was just like, oh, it's not recording. The camera was still recording, it just wasn't connected to my monitor anymore. Anyway, you don't need to know all the behind the scenes. So this box is going to be roughly $27 per month, and this is the base box, so it comes with 5 full-size items. If you are a paying member, unlike me, you are able to select one item on the choice day per month, so you'll know at least one of the items in your box. So since I am not a paying member, I am sent this free for review again. I do not know what is in this box at all. So I don't know what the actual weight is of this box today because it wasn't showing up on my app. Maybe it was came from USPS, I don't know. It came to my PO box. But I can tell you that the box itself is kind of wide this month. It's thicker than usual. So what I used to like in the past was that Boxycharm for 2021 mainly was a lot of skincare. Personally, I loved it. A lot of people didn't care for it. So now it's kind of shifting back to being a little bit more of a mix. Personally, I am hoping not to see primers. I know if you've been watching here, you know, for the past few months I've been getting so many primers in my boxes, and I just like don't use them that frequently and use enough of them on my face for me to get one every single month for the past like quarter or so. Anyway, so I'm going to crack this open and I'll show it to you. So again, this is the base box, so it is pink on the inside. And then this is the theme for this month, which is Dusk Till Dawn, and the variation number I received is 044. So I'm going to just pull out the first item that had already begun unboxing with you, but I haven't actually opened the box yet. So this is the first item here. When you get it from your box, if you get it, it's going to be in bubble wrap and in plastic wrap, so you didn't really miss much of me pulling it out of the box earlier because all I did was take the plastic wrap off. So this is from OPV Beauty. It's the Glow Perfect Face Palette, and it says, as part of the new Glow Perfect collection, this multi-purpose face palette contains a magical trio of highlighter, bronzer, and blusher, proving to be the perfect multifunctional beauty kit. In true OPV Beauty style, Glow Perfect colors are heavily pigmented, which allows them to really pop on the skin. Sorry about that weird intonation. Each formula delivers shade longevity and will stay put for the duration of the day following application. $34 value, and this is a new launch. So personally, I didn't know about this brand earlier, and then people had told me in the comment section. It's apparently a pretty popular cult sort of beauty following brand in, I think, the UK, and we received in the past a really, really vibrant palette from them, and personally, it's not really my style. So that is the update there. I can't get this open, hold on. Okay, so even though I switched to having a box cutter, I have to keep my scissors available to get the blade underneath these boxes. These box wings here, whatever they're called, the flaps are very, very much intense. So this one says up to $15, up to 15 hours wear, and it says a face palette with gorgeous shades, can be used as bronzer, highlighter, and blush. And I guess mine is in the shade 01. That's what it says back there. And it says, where was this made? So it is distributed out of London, and it is created and formulated in the United Kingdom and made in Hong Kong. It is cruelty-free and good for 36 months after opening. I need my eyes checked. I actually really do need my eyes checked. So let me open this. So it has a lot of packaging on here. It's like super shiny too, so I'm trying not to blind you. So again, it came in the bubble wrap and then plastic wrap on the outside of the paper box, and then the paper box, and now there's more plastic wrap. I think it's to prevent it from getting like fingerprinty within the box itself. So let me pull the back piece off so I can actually get it open. I might keep that on for a little bit just so that I don't put fingerprints all over it. So it does have a large mirror, and oh no. Okay, so mine definitely got cracked in transit, so I'm going to try to be careful here. I'm going to keep the plastic on as well, but it looks like that middle shade, I think that is the highlighter for me, is actually, now you know all of the secrets, so it's in the box before I do, but that middle shade looks to be super cracked. It like fell, it's like completely cracked. So I'm going to have to figure out if I even want to try to fix it or not, because actually, honestly, I probably wouldn't be using this particular product that much just because of my lifestyle. But yeah, it's kind of a bummer. That middle piece was probably the only part I would use, because I usually use highlighter. I don't really use bronzer or blush that much, but that one was completely shattered. And it had kind of fallen out of the pan. Sorry, I dropped my card. Okay, so I'm going to move on to the next item. So let me find it. So I think this is it here. So much packaging this month. So let me pull it out. This is from Roos Beauty. The Christine set includes a duo fiber cheek brush, a small angled cheek brush, a small concealer brush, a small flat shader brush, a medium domed blending brush, and a graphite petite Rennie cup. And this has a $50 value. Dang, that's expensive. I know brushes are pretty expensive. Let me try to figure out if I can open this. It does have like a really nice matte texture here with a little bit of like some beveled edges. I kind of like the feeling. It is plastic, pretty hard plastic, but with a matte finish. And then this is the lid here. This is probably way too much information for you about this cup, but it is like actually like a cup. So I don't know, this might be, it's probably not intended to be used as it, but I was going to say this might be nice for like, you know, when you're on vacation or traveling for work and having a nice drinking cup by the bathroom. But it does have like a pretty nice set in here. So again, there are 5 brushes. So these are the brushes here. I'm going to keep them in the sleeve at the moment. So again, there are 2 cheek brushes. I keep on wanting to read a cheek brush. And then there's a small concealer brush, a flat shader brush, medium domed blending brush, and the cup. So I mean, they look pretty nice. Let me just feel it actually. Okay, fine, I'm going to take this one out. They did label them, actually that's pretty nice. It has a label there. Again, the same sort of texture as the cup. It's kind of like a beveled edge, and the matte plastic. They're kind of not, they're like medium weight. They're not like weighted at the end, which is actually something I kind of enjoy just because I'm not good at makeup. But here is the duo fiber one. So this one's kind of interesting. It's soft, but it also has some like a little bit of, I don't know, weight to the feeling when I go back and forth with it just because of the duo fiber. I kind of like it actually. So yeah, I am quite excited by this. I will definitely be using them, and I'm excited to have them in my collection. And I don't know, $50 is still a little bit high, but I mean, I guess I did get it in the Boxycharm, so if I had paid the $27, I can't do math, so it's slightly more than $5, like $5.20 something cents. I don't know, can't do math, but I guess it is like a pretty good value for that. Does anyone actually pay full price for those things? That's what I'm wondering. The next item here is going to be something shiny, it sounds like, so let me find it. So this is from Girlactic, and let me pull it out of the box because this is a metallic eye sparkle. So let me find the info for you before I take it out. It says it is made in Taiwan. And this is in the shade Glam. So let me read you about it. It is the Metallic Eye Sparkle Shadow from Girlactic. It's velvety and easily blendable. This metallic creme shadow formula velvety and easily blendable. This metallic creme shadow formula creates a high reflex sparkling finish that's easy to apply, blends easily, and wears all day. $20 value. So actually this is a pretty wearable color for me. It's kind of like, I was going to say like a kind of light pinky bronze shade. I'm really bad at describing colors, so bear with me. But I wouldn't say like it's like too sparkly either. I was a little bit worried that it was going to look very glittery. I would say, however, I don't know if you could see it on camera. I'm trying to see on my monitor, but it does have a little bit of like some, I don't know, whenever I see air pockets in there, I get a little bit scared when it's a brand new item. But yeah, I'm going to definitely try it out. I've been trying to mess around with like liquid eyeshadows recently. It has not been going well, but I can't tell if it's like me or just, it's probably me, it's probably user error, but they're just kind of hard to blend and they just kind of like cake on my eyes. I don't know if I'm not going fast enough, I'm not supposed to use my fingers, I don't know. Let me know below how I'm supposed to put on liquid eyeshadow. Okay, this is the next item. So this is, I don't know, Queen? Queen Studio? Queen or Veen? It's the Bow Down Brow Glue. Command your brows. This easy to use, non-sticky, flake-resistant, super long-lasting, transparent formula. Wow, that's a lot. Stays in place for 16 plus hours and has a natural finish that works on any brow color. Armed with a baby spoolie applicator, sweep and shape your eyebrows to perfection. This is a $16 value, and this says it is a new launch. So let me see here. It is made in China. If you're interested, cruelty-free, good for 12 months after opening. It says that it is transparent brow glue. So actually, I don't really know how to use brow glue, so let me know that below too. It looks like I'm getting a lot of makeup this month. After I was like, yeah, I got a lot of, like a mix of skincare and makeup. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So it's like a little tiny, like, I don't know, like piece of chalk size. Does anyone even use chalk anymore? But yeah, it has like a dragon on it. I think that's what the logo is. I don't know. And then I'll just open it because I'm curious. Okay, it's a screw lid. And that is what the spoolie looks like. It smells like glue. It definitely smells like glue, so be careful, I guess. But I mean, it seems like a pretty portable size. Again, let me know how I'm supposed to use this because my eyebrows are very sparse, so I always have to fill them in. So how do I do that with brow glue? Let me know. This is going to be a very short video because the next item here is from Beauty for Certain, and this is going to be a deluxe lipstick. Before I tell you the narrative from the card, this is made in China as well, and I have it in shade number 18, and it says deluxe lipstick. I thought that was just the product line, so maybe that's the product line. I don't know. That's kind of an odd shade name if it is the shade name deluxe lipstick. So this is what it looks like here. So it is like an orange tube, and it has BFC on it, which I guess is their logo, and it's kind of like a matte sort of finish, and this is the shade for you. Generate, originate, choose only the finest with BFC's long-lasting deluxe lipstick, delivering that extra matte finish, silky smooth application, and velvet texture you crave. $18 value. It's a new launch. So I mean, this is a very wearable shade for me. I don't know how well it's coming off. It's kind of like a pinky brown. So I mean, it's very wearable for me. I just don't necessarily wear lipstick that much, but in terms of it does match my natural style. I'm sorry, I'm trying to like be super happy, but I made an entirely makeup box, and I know everybody else is probably super jazzed, but like I was hoping to see one skincare product in here, but I think it's okay. My skincare drawers are overflowing right now. So I mean, this is the last item. I haven't really heard of this brand except for in subscription boxes, but it could just be because I'm not a makeup person, so let me know below. But I do think I will eventually use this product because it is, again, very wearable for me. I just like don't really typically use that many lipsticks. I use lip glosses and lip tints, typically mostly lip tints actually, now I'm thinking about it, especially since I've been going into the office a lot recently just because it's so dang hot and I don't want to pay for air conditioning in my apartment. I also only have air conditioning here. They've heard about me gripe about it, but my second air conditioner is coming today. That's the exciting thing. But in terms of like masking and things to get into the office, I'm taking the subway, so lipstick's still not great, and then I like to eat a lot of snacks at the office. Okay, so that is everything this month. I do think it was kind of a miss for me this month. The face palette would have been okay. I just don't really wear blush or bronzer, so the fact that the highlighter was the one that was broken for me is kind of a bummer. I do think you can like press it down and stuff. I've watched some tutorials online. I don't know why I watched the tutorials. I've never broken any of those before, but I think it is possible. I'll just have to figure out if I'm going to be lazy or not lazy enough to do that. And then I'm going to definitely use the brush set, but overall I don't think I would have gotten my $27 worth out of this particular box myself, just because of my lifestyle. So I've been playing around with liquid eyeshadow, but that's only because I've been getting it in Boxycharm. I wouldn't have gone out of my way to purchase a liquid eyeshadow. And then the brow glue, again, I don't know how to use it, so just let me know below, like let me know for my own edification how I'm supposed to use the brow glue with brow coloring. By coloring I mean like filling it in with some color. And then that lipstick, yeah, I mean it's a wearable color for me, but I wouldn't have again gone out of my way to purchase it because I'm not not really a lipstick person. So that was everything. Let me know below what you think about this box, and let me know what you got in your box last month, because I saw there were a lot of really great products that were in last month's box that I didn't get, and I was a little bit jealous. I do think I remember now that there is a variation of this particular month's box that I saw online, that they did a spoiler on the Boxycharm Instagram that there is going to be a glow recipe product that might be in people's base box, and I didn't get that. It's fine, I didn't enjoy that one myself. It's the avocado eye cream, and the eye cream from Glow Recipe, I actually had a reaction to. It has retinol in it, and I can't tell if the reaction I had was because of retinol or if it was because of the they use a lot of essences and like fruit extracts and, you know, extracts, etc. So in general, I don't usually get along well with their products. But yeah, that was everything in my box. Let me know below what you think about it. And then I am going to be trying to get a bunch, sorry, I got distracted by a bird outside. I'm going to try to get a bunch of the vlogs up and ready to go this month, because also I'm trying to get back into like the real present day, just because next month I'm going to basically be traveling the entire month, and then I have some like other things going on, etc., that I want to just update you on. So I'm trying to get back into present day, but it's hard when my work is more than 40 to 50 hours per week. I've been averaging about 60 hours per week for the past few months, and I'm getting a little bit burnt out. And let me know below what kind of videos you've been interested in watching, because I do enjoy doing this as a fun hobby to blow off some steam after my many hours of work. But I'm also like, at the same time, it's a lot of work to maintain this channel at the same time, because editing videos takes a long time. So the spoiler videos are very easy for me to do, so let me know if you want me to continue doing those. The one problem is, or caveat is, FabFitFun spoiler videos are so out of hand because they have so many products, and they like, there's just, they keep adding things in, so it's never going to be complete, so it got really stressful trying to keep up with it. So anyway, that was the executive decision I made to reduce stress out of my life, was not doing FabFitFun spoilers this season, because it was just so hard to keep track of everything. But yeah, thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. And follow me over on Instagram, etc. I'm bad at plugging my other social medias. I am going to start trying to work on my blog a little bit more, because I do think that writing is a little bit easier for me to do after work than like trying to edit videos, because my eyes get tired, and like when I'm typing and writing, I can just have my eyes closed. But anyway, thank you again for watching, and I promise this is the last time I say thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.